Hello everyone, today we will learn how to set up a trial for Dynamics 365 for marketing. For that we need to go to trials.dynamics.com. There we don't see a marketing app over there. For that we need to change the URL Dynamics 365 slash marketing and hit enter. Yeah, we got marketing app and it asking work email and phone number. To get started, I will enter the work email and phone number. Click on get started. Yeah, it's saying that you are all set. Click on get started. It's asking one more time login. It's loading the apps, setting the things in the background, and it's asking address to get started. We'll give the address. Click on get started. It's saying that your trial is ready. Click on begin. Yeah, we got created dynamic 365 marketing trial. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.